Good morning, children. Sorry, good afternoon, children. Now open the page number. I am telling you that is third unit 42 page number. Page number how much? 42. So here I already told you two lesson, two poem. Now pre-reading text I already told you in before classes. Now I am going to teach you how Tenali Rama became a judger. Judger means Vikatakavi. Judger means what? Vikatakavi, one who loves the people in the what kingdom after what king's court. He is called judger. Here, who is the judger here? Tenali Rama is one of the judger here. He is famous for his what? He is good thoughts. He is what? Laughing talks. Yes, here one story is there. Here one story is here. So I am explaining you this story. I am explaining you this story about Tenali. Tenali, you got the name. Tenali means it is the name of the South Indian village. It is the name of the which village? Tenali. Tenali is a village name here. Also, it became the name of the Tenali Ramakrishna. Yes, he is one of the Vikatakavi in the king's court of Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. Yes, he is one of the what? Judger in the court of the Krishna Devaraya kingdom court. Yes, he worked as a judger in the court of the king Sri Krishna Devaraya in Vijayanagara. Yes, in Vijayanagara. So here he was working. Lastly, he selected as a judger in the court of the Krishna Devaraya for his what? Naughty jokes, for his naughty talks. Yes, here. Now I am writing you here furious. Furious means oh God. Yes. Then several means many times. Curse means something happen. Wish for something bad. Wish for curse. Curse means shapa. Curse means shapa. Yes. Vanish means disappear. Vanish means what? Disappear. Yes, not seen. Disappear. Palindrome. Palindrome means a word which reads for same even. Which word reads a same even while reads backward or forward, like this. Palindrome, madam. Here, M-A-D-A-M, madam. From right side also, we are reading here same spelling, M-A-D-A-M, madam. From both sides, it means same, madam. It is called palindrome. Yes, here. Now, read and write these words 5 times in your home. Now, I am going to teach you how Tenali Rama became a judger. What is the name of the lesson? Unit number 4, how Tenali Rama became a judger. Dictation words. Now I am going to teach you Tenali. It is the name of the South Indian village. It is Tenali village. Wandering means walking from one place to another. Here, liked means licked Liked means istapadu, desire. Clever means intelligent. Here Tenali is an intelligent minister. Appearance means looking. Yes, looking. Outlook. Furious means getting angry. Gesture means what? A person who amuses the people. Gesture means one who amuses the people at a king's court. He is called gesture. Terrific. Terrific means very good, wonderful. Several means many times. Curse means that is sharp, wishing for something bad, wishing for the bad. Vanish means disappear. Palindrome means the word which reads from right side or even back side. Right side or even back side we read that means same. That meaning is same. Here MADAM madam, MADAM madam. Meaning will not affect here. That is called palindrome. Yes, here in a South Indian village called Tenali, there lived a clever boy. One clever boy in that village, Tenali, South Indian village living. His name is what? Clever boy. His name is Rama. His name is what? Rama. Once a wandering sage saw him. Once the wandering sage, one sage saw him and liked his looks. He is looking everybody not alike. So that sage liked him. Then and clever ways. What he liked, that sage liked in him. He liked his looking ways and also what? Clever ways. He had a clever ways in talking and also liking a good look. His look is good. Also his ways of talking is clever. So that sage liked him. So he taught him a prayer. That sage called him and taught him a prayer. Sage taught him what? Prayer. To whom? Prayer to Rama. And night and go to the goddess Kali temple. What he told? That sage told that go to whom? Go to the goddess Kali temple today night and pray to the goddess Kali day and night. Yes, full. Recite these words. What I am telling this prayer, you have to recite this 3 million times in a night. You have to what? Recite this how much time? 3 million times. About which goddess? About goddess Kali, he told. Then she will appear before you. After telling 3 million times this sloka, this prayer, the goddess will appear before you, he told. Then give you whatever you ask for. If your some wishes will be there, ask to the goddess Kali, she will what? Fulfill that needs, he told. Then after that, Rama went to the Kali temple at that night only. Rama went to where? Kali temple. For what? For making the prayer to goddess Kali in the Kali village. Sorry, in the village of Tenali. Did as he was told. He told what the sage told to do the prayer in goddess Kali temple. So we went in the night and the goddess appeared before him with her several faces. The goddess Kali appeared before the what? Tenali with so many faces. How much faces will be there? So many faces will be there and 2 hands. 2 hands will be there for goddess. To that night she appeared in front of the Rama. When the boy looked at the appearance, when he looked the goddess Kali, he was not frightened. When he saw his so many heads and 2 hands, he did not frightened at all. He did not get frightened. He began laughing instead of frightening. What he started? He started laughing. And that time the goddess Kali got angry on him. Instead of frightening by seeing me, he is laughing. Then she got angry. The goddess asked him, "Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing at me?" The goddess asked. Rama answered, "Oh mother, we humans have only a lot of trouble. We humans have lot of trouble in wiping our noses when we got the cold. When we got the cold, we humans got what? Trouble for wiping the nose. Only one nose. Though we have two hands. We have two hands, one nose only. We have so many trouble when we got the what? Cold. In cold time, that time by wiping, so we got so many trouble. How will you maintain? If you got what? Cold in your face. You have so many faces. If you catch the cold, if your so many faces will be there, so many noses will be there, how will you push with these two hands? Then how many push the cold with only two hands of all these noses? He started telling and started laughing at the goddess Kali. Just with two hands of all these noses, how will you wipe the nose with two hands if you got cold? He asked. Then the goddess was furious. Still she got very angry and said, "Since you laughed at me, since laughing at me, you are not stopping smiling, you will be a Vikatakavi. You will be a Vikatakavi, a judger in the court of the whom? In the court of the king. In future days, you will be one of the famous person in the court of the king." Yes, then he told, after that, he asked, "Oh, Vikatakavi, that's terrific. Terrific means what? Terrific means wonderful. That is a wonderful word, Vikatakavi here. Vikatakavi, Vikatakavi. From backward also, same meaning. From left side also, if we are reading, same meaning. This is called palindrome. It is so wonderful, replied the Rama. The goddess was pleased by Rama's cleverness. The goddess was what? Pleased. Now, pleased by his words and Rama's cleverness. She saw a joke even in the curls. Instead of giving the what curls, she gave a what? Joke. She saw a joke in curls. Then she at once became calm. The goddess became calm and said, "You will be a Vikatakavi, but you will be a gesture to a king. You will be a gesture to a king." And Vikatakavi, she vanished. Told that and blessed him. You will be a Vikatakavi or a gesture to a king, and vanished. In this way, Tenali Rama began to live as a gesture. From that day onwards, he will be a what? Gesture in the court of the king of Sri Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. So, he will be one of the famous gesture in the king's court now. It is given by whom? What wonderful words, Ashir blesses given by Goddess Kali. Yes, then he will be one of the what? Wonderful person, clever person in the world. By what? Reciting the 3 million times prayer, he got what? Cleverness. He will be famous man by the blessing of the Kali. So you also should bless to the goddess. Pray to the goddess. What? You have to what? Pray to the goddess. Yes, now I finished this lesson. You have to read this what? Dictation words 5 times in your own. Once again read and write the textbook also. Thank you.